Welcome back, guys, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a Noluhn type of effect in After Effects. Apart from that, I'm going to go over here to the left side right here. Then I'm going to go to our new and create a new adjustment layer. And I'm actually going to go over here to our effects and presets. I'm going to drag in hue and saturation, and this depends on what effect you're trying to achieve. You can also use tritone, but I guess for hue and saturation it could be better if you actually want to land the actual color you're trying to go for. But also you can use the color code. So I'm going to go over here to our colorize hue on the right side, and I'm going to put it at 45. And it's going to start giving you a nice bronze or brown effect. Next effect I'm going to add is exposure. Drag it in. I'm going to go to my exposure right here and put it at 1.68. And our offset right here, I'm going to put at negative 0.0600. Then our gamma correction, I'm going to put at 0.70. So then I'm going to close out our exposure. Next, I'm going to add glow for our effect. Go on stylize and just drag it in. Put a threshold right here. I'm going to put to 31.4. And go to our radius and put at 140. And you can obviously tell the difference between increasing our radius and not. This is going to be without increasing it. And you can see how harsh it is. And this is with increasing it. And you can see how less harsh it is and how our glow effect is more spread it out. Apart from that, I'm going to close out our glow right here. Then I'm going to go to our effects and presets. And I'm going to add noise. Whoops, right here. Go to noise. I'm going to put our amount at 27. And then I'm going to turn off color noise. Apart from that, I'm going to go over here to our noise right here and unclick it off or untick it off to close it out. And then for the last effect I'm going to add is posterize time. I'm going to go over here to our frame rate and just drop it down to 12. I'm going to close it out right here. Save our project. If you followed all the steps in this video, your final effect should look like this. If you enjoyed this video or you learned something new, I would appreciate if you were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I upload weekly content based around editing tutorials. And apart from that, guys, keep on staying creative. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.